Filmora video editor tutorial for beginners. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I am going to be telling you everything you need to know about Filmora video editor. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here I'm on their website, filmora.wondershare.com, and over here you can see this is their website and this is their product right here, their video editor. And if you come over here at the top, you can see right here they've got the platforms. You can go ahead and download the Filmora video editor on your desktop, such as Windows or Mac. You can even download it on your mobile as well. They've got some tons and tons of features like screen recorder, keyframing, planner tracking, multi-camera editing, audio ducking, sync audio, auto beat, everything, right? Assets, you've got video effects, plugins, and text, you've got title editing and everything. So let's go ahead and download it and get started, right? It is free to use, I just want to say that, but you can go ahead and buy it as well. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click on the download button and install it. There we go. Install it right here and click on open and run it. Give it a couple of seconds. All right, it's installed now. Now we can go ahead and click on start now and open it up. And here we go. So congrats, it's installed, and begin your creative journey. So there we go. It's now testing the environment. It's going to test out the PC and say whether or not it's compatible or not. So give it a couple of seconds and we should be good to go. All right. So now that it's ready, we can go ahead and get started with it. So here is the AI basically telling us what we need to do. More AI videos in less clicks. We're now going to go ahead and click over here. I'm going to close this up and we're going to show you how it looks like. So this is how it looks like, right? This is your dashboard. Let me actually make it a little bit better and get rid of this guide real quick. There we go. So here you can see this is going to be your dashboard. Here you can create your new projects, and down below you're going to have your other options like audio to video, smart short clips, right? So you've got smart scene cuts, image to video. So basically bring your images to reality, AI video enhancements. We've got the color palette, smart PG, auto reframe, multi-camera, AI translations. And if you click on the more button, you can see some other cool options as well. This is their toolbox, right? So this is how it looks like. Over here you have the aspect ratio 16:9, 9:16. Click on more and you can get some more options for your aspect ratio. You've got your options right here down below. If you click on it, you can go ahead and create an account, login, and it'll also give you AI credits. For that you can use the AI. But yeah, other than that, you should be good to go, right? So let's go ahead and create a project. So click on new project. Give it a couple of seconds. It's going to open up the editor. There we go. This is how the editor looks like. This is going to be your timeline. Here you can see a little bit of preview. Here you have the other options or info of your project. Here you have your adjustments and basically editing options, right? Like for example, global media, cloud media, influence, and all of that. And then over here at the top, you have your effects, audio transitions, stock media, effects, filters, everything. And here is going to be where you import all of your videos. And here you have some other options as well, like help, edit, tools, and everything. Click on file. You can go ahead and open new projects, import media, or even save the project that you have. And down below you can even select preference. Here you can go ahead and add your own performance options as well, media cache, editing, and everything. So I think the preference looks good. We don't really need to change anything. What I would suggest is taking a look at either the performance or editing to see whether or not everything looks good. So GPU check is okay. I have the RTX 2070, so that's fine. Resolution, right here you can see automatically create proxies when media resolution is higher than this one. So that way it'll automatically create different proxies if your PC is not, stable enough to run it. But for me, I think it's okay, so I'll leave it as it is. But yeah, so let's go ahead and show you how you can use it. So let's go ahead and import some media. So find the media that you want and then select them and click on import, and there you go. You have imported them. So this is how it looks like. So over here, if you click on a media, it'll automatically start playing the video right here. So right here, you can see this is how it looks like, right? Pretty simple. But yeah, if you want to add it into the timeline, you can click on this plus button. All right, this will just, keep the project over here, match the resolution if you want, but there you go. It'll automatically cut it down below. Now, it did say that the overall sequence was 25 frames per second, which I don't like. I want it to be at least 60, but that's fine, I would say. But so let's go ahead and change that. Go ahead and click on file and then go into project settings. You can see right here, you've got your aspect ratio, you've got your resolution, and here you can see the frame rate. So increase it to 60 frames or whatever you want. You can even select the color space, but I think This looks good. I think we'll go with the HDR and click on OK. So currently HDR wasn't compatible, but that's fine. At least we have 25 frames. So this is how it looks like. This little bar right here, or this little column or row, would you say, is your player header. With this, you can move things around and, go ahead and play the video and take like a preview. You can also view and take a preview with the player right here, but it helps to have it over here. So here you can see you have your timeline. If you zoom in, you can see right here, this is like, let me actually zoom in. You can zoom in by pressing the control button and just moving the mouse wheel and it'll move in. So this little bar right here is your volume. You can even set the video volume as well. So currently it was over here. I accidentally turned it down, so we'll move it over here. You can see right here, this little button right here, if you move it around, it'll automatically play the video from there, and also it'll give you like this effect. Let me show you. So currently the video itself doesn't have any sound effects, so that's why I couldn't really show you. So let me upload the audio as well. So I downloaded this audio right here. There we go. I'll place it right underneath the video. Now you can see right here this little knob. If you move it around, you can hear the video. Well, the audio starts from like a lower volume and goes up, like it's like a reverse fade, right? You can see that it's a little bit a bit too loud, so let me actually lower that. But yeah, I think you heard it. So you can move it around. So for example, if I move it a bit more so that you can really understand it, pretty impressive that you can do this over here as well. Usually you would have to add like an effect over here, but over here you can do it. So here we go. What else you can add? I would like to add another sound effect, so let's go ahead and add that as well. We'll click on import. And this is the effect or the audio that I wanted. And now if we play it, I couldn't find the one where the PSA call is being made, but it looks pretty cool. So now looks good. What I want to do is I want to add like a text over here. Let's say this is like an intro for a vlog, right? So come over here at the top, click on titles. You can find some different options right here. These are like trending options, right? Type title. You've got a bunch of different options once, but you've got the title effects. You can make them, add like effects over here. These are like the title templates if you want, and these are like AI captions. So if you want to add like a title, click on the player and click on like this T button, or click on this little quick text button right here. If you hover your mouse over it, you can easily add like a quick text over here. You can even add like a 3D text. So we'll add a quick text, and this is how it would look like right here. So we'll move it right here at the top and even make it a little bit bigger like that. Maybe a bit too big, but let's make it a little bit smaller. And instead of text here, we'll double click and type what we want. So it'll be vlog, and then these little column buttons, and number 4. There we go. So next what I want to do is I want to make it bolder. Double click to select all, and then Control or B. No, that doesn't work. That just copies it. So what we'll do now is click over here onto the text, come over here onto the right hand side. You can see right here we've got the text option. Click on the text. Now you can go ahead and make it bolder. You can see right here you've got fonts over here to change whatever font you want. This one looks good, but let's see other ones as well. So you could just simply scroll and find the font that you like. This one looks good as well, but yeah, it's actually pretty nice. And then just select whichever one you want. So this one looks actually pretty good. We'll go with this one. And then down below you can see like a preset of what you want, like, and have an effect over here. You can increase the scale, get a background over here like that, or get a shape right here. You can see different shapes, but I think we'll turn it off as of right now. And yeah, let me actually make it a little bit. I might have messed it up a little bit, so let me actually do that. There we go. We're back. So this looks good. Next, we'll add the effect. For example, a typing effect. I believe it should be right here. So we could go with that, or yeah, that looks good. We'll go ahead and add that. Click on the plus button to add it. There we go. So now what we'll do is I'll actually just delete this. And over here, we'll click over here. Instead of daily vlogging, it'll be vlog number 4 or 5, whatever. And then for this one, I'll select 5 and change the color to like a yellow color. That looks good. So now if we play it, I'll actually move it right here so that, it has like a little sound effect. So what I'll do is I'll put the audio right here so that this is how it looks like. No, it's not syncing correctly, and I accidentally moved the entire timeline. All right. So we can go ahead and, change the duration of it as well. So to do that, click on the effect or the file that you want to edit. Come over here. You can see we already have the animation, and here you can set the duration. So what I want the 5 to just appear. So if we think that would look good, let me play it. There you go. I think it kind of syncs, but it is what it is. It kind of syncs. So I think that's okay. But yeah, once that's done, we should be good to go. You can even add like different other transitions. So for example, if you wanted to add another clip, click on transition, and then just here you can find different transitions and add them over here. And you should be good to go. You can find the dissolve, train, whatever. And yeah, after that, it depends on you and your creativity on how you edit videos. But yeah, everything is very simple and laid out pretty clearly. So this is how you do it. This is how you use Filmora and how you can use it to edit videos. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications. And I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.